Planist AI just launched, and if you're here looking for answers on whether it's the next best AI software for your business or personal needs, you're in the right place. In this Planist AI review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software, and trust me, you'll want to stick around till the end. I'm going to break down its features, what makes it stand out, and why it could be the tool you never knew you needed. And by the way, you can try Planist AI completely free with the link below. So let's dive in. First off, let's talk about its simplicity. If you've been using AI tools before, you know that complexity can be a huge barrier. Planist AI breaks that barrier. The interface is intuitive, and its ease of use is one of the first things you'll notice. You don't have to be a tech genius to get started, which makes it great for entrepreneurs or anyone just diving into AI tools. The setup is simple, and there's no steep learning curve. Planist AI is designed for both beginners and advanced users, offering flexibility across the board. Now, what really makes Planist AI stand out is its ability to automate business workflows. With Planist AI, you can set up automated sequences that save you time and streamline repetitive tasks. Whether you're working on content generation, data entry, or customer service, Planist can handle it. Imagine the amount of time you can free up to focus on more strategic work. And it doesn't stop at basic automation. This software comes with customization options that allow you to create workflows that suit your specific needs, making it versatile for all types of businesses. Another thing worth mentioning is Planist AI's data analysis capabilities. If you're someone who depends on data to drive decisions, this software is packed with features that turn raw data into actionable insights. You can create reports, track KPIs, and even get predictive analytics to help you anticipate trends. This isn't just another AI tool for managing information, it's a tool that helps you turn that information into strategic actions. What about integrations? If you're using other business tools, you'll appreciate Planist AI's integration capabilities. From CRMs to email marketing platforms and even social media management tools, Planist seamlessly connects with the platforms you're already using. This eliminates the hassle of jumping between different software and ensures everything is in one place, improving your overall workflow. Now, let's talk about the AI itself. Planist AI is powered by cutting-edge machine learning algorithms, making it capable of evolving based on your usage. It learns your preferences and adapts, improving over time. This feature ensures that as your business grows or your needs change, the AI grows with you, providing increasingly accurate recommendations and automating tasks more effectively. It's a true long-term solution for your business. For those of you focused on content creation, Planist AI excels here too. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or content creator, you can use it to generate blog posts, social media content, and even video scripts. It's like having your very own AI-powered writing assistant, helping you stay consistent and creative without burning out. And of course, one of the most important aspects of any AI tool is security. Planist AI takes data privacy seriously, it complies with industry standards for security, and ensures your information is safe. If you're handling sensitive data, this should put your mind at ease. Before we wrap up, let me remind you, Planist AI is available for a free trial from the link below. This is a great opportunity to explore all these features and see if it's the right fit for your needs. I've tried thousands of AI software tools over the years, and I've compiled my top recommendations in the description below, so make sure to check that out. If you're ready to dive in, click the link for your free Planist AI trial and start optimizing your workflow today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.